Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about navigation commands like a go with the forward and backward, and also reloading a page in the history. How we can able to do by using our Cypress. This is a topic we are going to discussing today. Okay. For this, I'm going to take for this application. Okay. In this application, whenever we click, this home page will comes to set it here, and you can able to say welcome to Mercury Tours. Okay, and if I click my registration page, you can able to see registration Mercury Tours. Okay, this is another page. Okay, and you can able to see here there is an arrow mark, which is if you mouse over in that particular one, you can see the description also in the mouse point ending. Click on go back, hold as seen in the history, which is stores in history. If you click for Control H, and you can able to see in the history, it is taking load. Okay, it is taking more time to load. Basically, it will go and go for one backward step in a browser history. Okay, this will give you for forward direction in a browser history, which is the browser history it stores, right? Those information it will provide you. Okay, backward and forward directions. Okay, and this is a symbol it will give you for reloading a page. If you click that one, it will reload that entire page. These are the three options we are going to do for today. Okay, first we need to create for one file, navigate back and forward .cy.js. Okay, this is my file. Okay, now I'm going to create for describe block, and this is my suit, and here I'm going to provide the title of that particular suit. Navigate commands and creating the function, and here I'm going to create for it block. For this it block, it is go and forward commands and creating a function. Okay. cy.visit is an command to open our URL. Okay, and I'm going to take a backward direction. Now this is my URL to launch for my home page. Then I'm going to check. I want to check for title. Okay, if I inspect this particular element, if I inspect, okay, after inspect, if you go for the top, there is a header tag after HTML. Immediate header tag you can able to see. If you expand that particular one, there is a tag called a title. Okay, in the title, welcome Mercury Toast. This is the one we need to expect it. Okay, now how we can able to test it? I'm going to use for cy.title. There is a title command. It will do for get the document.title property of the page that is currently active, which is the current page active. That particular page title it will get. Okay, okay, then I'm going to use for should operation. Okay, in the should I'm going to use for eq, equal, equal, or equal, any command you can able to use it. Okay, and that equal I'm going to take for this particular information. Okay, now I am saving. How document dot it will work, right? In the console you can comes to console, and here you can able to use a document. There is a command dot a title. Okay, title is the method. If you hit this one, you can able to see it will get for welcome Mercury Toast. This is the one we are going to use. This is basically a Java command. Okay, backend it will work for document dot title. Okay, for this we are going to use for get title. Okay, once we are going to get, and we need to click. Once we verified, we need to click for this particular one. Okay, For this, I'm going to take for CSS related oh, such a huge, right? And we can inspect. There is an anchor tag. There is no common thing because the table inside another table it is presented. Okay, in the TR and inside the table it is getting. They are created with the table format of structure. Okay, here also we are seeing lot of things. Okay, we'll copy the selector. We'll see. Yeah, this is at least it reduce the something path. Okay, I'm going to take this particular path. Okay, and here I'm going to use for cy.get, and here I'm going to use it for my path. And coming down dot click. Okay, click function I'm using. Okay, once we click we need to wait some time, and for this I'm going to use a wait command with the 5000 milliseconds. Okay, and whether this particular code is working as expected or not, we'll see. Npx Cypress open. Okay, now I'm going to opening for my Cypress ID. Okay, now E2E and browser starting E Chrome. Okay, now here the navigation commands, whether it is working as expected or not, we'll see. Now it is loaded. My assertion got passed, and after that you can able to see registration page we came. Okay, there is a registration.php. Okay, this is my page. Okay, and this now we are able to click for registration, and also we are able to click, and also we can able to wait. Okay, there's a registration page we are in now. Okay, now I want to verify this registration page as well. Okay, I want to verify registration page. If I click here, if I go top and take this value, and this is my registration page. Okay, and I'm taking now again. After we came to here, and here I'm going to use for title function, and this title function I'm going to use for should concept, and here dot again I'm going to use for equal. Then in the single quotient my title will be there. Okay, now after that, okay, we are able to verify the title. Okay, then again I want to go back for home page. I want to go for home page. Okay, here there is a command for cy dot a go command. Okay, go command, you can see this is a go command. You can able to see here navigation back or forward to the previous or next URL in the browser history. You can able to do it by using this one. Okay, if I use like this, can I able to go means no, we cannot. But for this, we need to use for inside that there is a single colons. You can able to see there are two methods, backward and forward. Now I'm going to use for backward direction. Okay. Now I'm going to do for backward direction. After that, I can do it up to here. Again, I'll copy because we need to come back for forward direction as well. Okay. And here I need to copy this home page and I need to make it here. Okay, then I need to use for forward direction. Forward. Okay, now I'm able to do for forward direction as well, but after forwarding I need to verify the title and both the cases, and I'll wait some time, and I'll verify this case again. Okay. Now first time I'm do the backward and after that I'm do for forward, and again I'm going to verify my registration page. Whether we are able to verify or not, we'll see. Now I saved my file and I'm going to start for my navigate back and forward direction. Now first one is verified, waiting for some time because in the backward direction, right? Now second case also verified. You can see backward direction, now forward direction. Now again I want to verify the registration. Okay. Now you can completely can see this is the first assertion that got home page verification, and second is a registration page. We click for registration page and we are verified by the title. And second case again I'm going to verify because I use for backward direction and in the browser history, and again I verify this particular title, and then the last we can able to see forward action. We done the forward action and also we verified for this particular registration page again. Okay, these are the assertions we are able to done. Okay, and we are pending for only like reloading. Okay, before starting reloading I want to show you one more thing. Can I able to use only for this back and forward? Means no, even in Cypress there is a number format also there. Okay, number format, and now I'm going to use for only here by using for commands using number. Okay, number. Okay, this clicking and here first home page and after clicking registration, perfect, there is no issue. And here backward direction is there, right? Inside the backward direction we have, there is a method. If you want to go for backward direction in a browser history, in the backward direction location you can able to use for -1, -1. If you provide the -1, it will do for one backward step in a browser history, and forward direction you have to use for 1. If you use 1, it will go for forward in a 1 history. Okay, after that you can able to do for CY dot, there is a reload page, reload page. This is a function, it will reload that page again. Okay, now I'm going to run this one. See, now going forward backward direction -1, -1. Okay, now verified, going for forward action by using for 1 number. Previous is back and forward direction string format, now integer format, and also reloading page. Okay, reload page also successful done. Okay, these are the cases we can able to do for browser navigation commands. I hope this information help for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.